For over 20 years, Affordable Solar has been providing turnkey, quality, cost-efficient solar systems to all those in the great and sunny state of New Mexico. Between industrial, commercial, and residential solar projects, we have installed over 3,000 solar systems and saved our community thousands and thousands on their electric bills. Affordable Solar takes care of every aspect of your solar project, from a custom solar plan to helping with financing to the actual turnkey installation. No matter where you are in New Mexico, we have made going solar easy since 1998. Affordable Solar started out of an Airstream in South Valley, Albuquerque, with a passion for renewable energy, our community, and the environment. These same principles have continued to be the core of our business as we have evolved over the past 20 years. With our eyes to the future, Affordable Solar is leading the way to assist New Mexico's green energy economy. Our goal is to help New Mexicans transition from consumers of energy to producers of energy, the green way.